Hair fall is a problem that a lot of people are facing nowadays. In some people, hair loss can also cause psychological distress. Thankfully, with the help of some natural treatment, you can control this problem at home. In this video, we will be talking about the reasons for hair fall and some of the best natural home remedies for hair fall control and regrowth. For a healthy adult, it is normal to shed around 50 to 100 hair strands a day. If hair falls out in more significant amount than usual, it's obvious that it needs medical attention. But here's the thing, luckily there are also many ways to treat hair loss. Cost dependent, of course. Let's first have a look at some common and not so common reasons why you might see less hair on your head and what you can do about it. Stress or illness can cause hair loss. It's a process known as telogen effluvium, or the excessive shedding of hair induced by stress. Our bodies perceive mental stress the same way it perceives physical stress, and any traumatic stressor on the body can cause hair growth to be arrested. And when the hair growth is arrested, it sheds. Thyroid hormone is a hormone secreted by a small organ in the neck called the thyroid gland. It has the effect of promoting metabolism. It plays an important role in producing energy and glowing skin and hair. Therefore, if you suffer from a disease in which the amount of thyroid hormone secreted is insufficient, the hair will not grow smoothly and hair loss will become noticeable. Both hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism can cause hair to fall out. If you're not getting enough iron into your diet, then it can lead to unwanted hair loss. Iron contributes to the production of hemoglobin in your body. Hemoglobin delivers nutrients and oxygen to your hair cells, which is vital for their growth. This process is interfered due to lack of iron, which also means low hemoglobin levels, leading to hair loss. Hair loss is one of the reported symptoms of PCOS. This is mostly due to the excess androgenic hormones that people with PCOS often have, which can lead to thinning of hair. They also notice lack of luster in hair, hair that breaks easily and is dry and damaged. Protein and hair loss are interlinked, as protein is an essential component of hair. Hair loss may occur due to prolonged protein deficiency along with other causes. Since protein is the building block of our body, lack of protein can certainly lead to hair loss. We already know that hair is made up of an exclusive protein called keratin. Hair protein or keratin is a fibrous protein that forms the entire structure of hair. The amino acid chains help build up the hair blocks and look after the health of the hair. They are also responsible for the healthy growth of skin and nails. If there is protein shortage in your diet, you may experience other hair problems beside hair loss. Your hair might become dry and brittle, which leads to hair breakage and split ends. Protein is vital for healthy hair, and without it, hair loss is very much a possibility. Some of the drugs used to beat back cancer unfortunately can also cause your hair to fall out. Once chemotherapy is stopped, you will see your hair will grow back. If you come from a family where women start to have hair loss at a certain age, then you might be more prone to it. Overall cell production or production of any kind will slow down with age, and hair growth is not an exception. Especially after your 40s, you are likely to experience a receding hairline and overall thinning in your hair. Now that we have understood some of the reasons for hair fall, let's have a look at the best natural home remedies which have been tried and tested for years, and they have never disappointed. Herbal hair masks are a great way to nourish, rejuvenate, and strengthen your hair. Let's check out a few. Neem is one of the most promising plants on the planet. From improving our health to disinfecting our skin, the humble tree can benefit us in many ways. But what many of us are not aware of is that neem has immense potential in maintaining our hair health too. If you're looking for an effective natural remedy for your hair fall, look for nothing other than neem. The antimicrobial and blood purifying properties of neem leaves can address the root cause of hair loss, thereby stimulating the growth of healthy, strong hair. Hibiscus leaves are prominently known to repair damaged hair. It fights against dandruff, makes the hair shiny, thicker, and also improves hair color. Get some fresh neem and hibiscus leaves and grind them into a fine paste. Apply the paste to your hair from the roots to the tip. Wait for about 1 hour and shampoo the hair and rinse off the mask. Fenugreek or methi seeds are frequently used as a natural home remedy for thinning hair and other related conditions such as dandruff or a dry, itchy scalp. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of iron and protein, two essential nutrients for hair growth. Fenugreek seeds also have high protein and nicotinic acid content, which are known to be beneficial against hair fall and dandruff, and in treating variety of scalp issues like dryness of hair, baldness and hair thinning. It contains large amount of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots of hair follicles. These seeds also help in moisturizing the hair and bringing back the luster. And Kalonji or Nigella sativa is also known as black cumin or black caraway. It is also popularly referred as black onion seeds. Kalonji oil is one of the main ingredients in many herbal-based shampoos and hair care products. The active component thymoquinone in Kalonji contains protein alkaloids that effectively support hair growth and volume. Kalonji oil arrests hair fall, reduces the aging of cell on the scalp and prevents hair thinning. Grind both fenugreek and kalonji seeds separately and make a fine powder. Soak about 2 spoons of this hair growth seed powder in a glass of hot water and leave it aside for some time, or maybe for 5 hours. Strain the water, add it to a spray bottle if possible, and you can spray this water on the scalp and across the length of your hair. Leave it for about 30 minutes and then wash off your hair. You can apply this hair growth seed paste all over your hair and scalp and leave it for about 30 minutes and then rinse off. Coconut oil helps your hair to grow healthier, thicker and longer. The lauric acid in coconut oil has nourishing properties that absorbs into your hair quickly. Coconut oil provides moisture to your hair and heals breakage. Castor oil has a number of benefits for your hair. It strengthens your hair, it promotes hair growth and nourishes dry scalp. To prepare methi and kalonji seed oil, take a glass container if possible. Add 2 spoons of methi powder and 2 spoons of kalonji powder. Now, I am taking 1/4 cup of castor oil, add 2 cups of coconut oil, mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Keep this bottle aside in the sun for at least 5 days so that it induces the benefits of these powders in the oil. After that, you can start applying this hair oil. Try to continue it regularly to see better results.